Hi, so here I have the ScanAvenger mini portable barcode reader. I was quite interested to see this. I've had 2 or 3 of the large handheld ones from ScanAvenger and found them to be very good. So I'm interested to see how this one performs. Obviously instruction manual, various setup QR codes and stuff like that you can scan in and how to set the device up. We have obviously the device itself, which I'll come on to. We've got a USB to USB-C cable. Thankfully it's the new C cables, not some of the micro USB cables I tend to still get through from some products. This looks really dinky actually. Let's take it out of the pack. So there we go, it's really quite compact. You've got a little carry strap, which is useful. There's the scanning part, if you can see that in there. I'm hoping this has got some charge in it. Now we've got the dongle, which you can use, or this is supposed to be Bluetooth as well, so I'm just wondering whether I can pick this up on Bluetooth. As you know, my reviews are generally unscripted. Not sure if this has got any power at all at the moment, so let me see if I can. I've got a cable here, I can just plug into it. Looks like it's just on the edge here, look. That's an on-off switch. So we're now on. So will I find this down here somewhere? Okay, so that's come on. So that's sort of 3 LED lights there, which depict the sort of power level, so I'm halfway. Smart tag, lots of things. Okay, so I can just, for simplicity purposes, just grab a dongle and plug that into the tablet. I haven't got a spare one around because I'm using one on my phone currently. So I've just got a dongle here. So we can plug the extension dongle there, put that into there, dongle in, and then plug that into there. And we're connected. Actually, so it's really quick. Now, I do have a spreadsheet and some products that I want to pop in. So let's open this up. So this item is a Fideco, so I need to try and find that on my spreadsheet. Just like to keep track of. So we've got the Fideco there, so I'll click on that, and then we'll find the barcode for this, which is on the back. And that's it. That's how quick it was. That's really simple. Get rid of my keyboard up there. So I've got a Unitech charging station here. It's a bit of a beast. There's my code on the back. And that's it. This is really quick. Oh, with a bit of a laptop stand. Okay. Let's just open my keyboard pop up. This is the strange name, this laptop stand, barcodes there on the side. This is really quick and very easy to use. I mean, the setup, as you saw when I connected my tablet, was instantaneous. It really is quite dinky. Now my squares on here are a centimetre square, so let's start on zeros down the other side, so we'll put it on 40. And we're coming out 51, so 11 centimetres. I suppose that's height, isn't it? 11 centimetres. The width at its maximum looks to be, I'm going for 5.5, no, tell a lie, 4.5 centimetres, must be less, it's about 43 millimetres. And then thickness wise at its max, it's about 2.3 centimetres, 23 millimetres. So it really is compact. I mean, it's extremely light as well. Really impressive. This is the model SA1101, designed in Australia. So it's upside down, terribly bad joke there. But it's really quick, very easy to use. You know, it's not like lugging around one of the hand ones. I'm just putting, compare the size difference. This is actually one of the ScanAvenger ones I've been using currently. You see the size of that, and we'll put this up against it. You know, it's so much smaller. So really it's just the sort of top part, isn't it, of that scanner that's been put into a very, very compact little device. The plastic quality, it's got a sort of lined finish on top there, and then plain plastic. What would be really useful for this, I think, unless it does come with something, would be to have a sort of like a silicone skin you could put over this just to protect it. You know, if you're carrying it around, you don't want to drop it and break it, but having a skin on that would be useful. I will have a look, see if they've got one. I will mention it to them as well, see if they have a skin that we can have to put over this, just to make it look a bit smarter and a bit more protection. But performance wise, this is excellent. I did get it free from ScanAvenger, I will say that, but if it was rubbish, I would say so. You just saw me set it up in a matter of seconds, scanning items really quickly, and I personally think this is a great piece of kit. I don't have the price, so I can't say what the value for money aspect is of this. So if I give a star rating out of 5, I'd give it 4. The reason being is I don't know the price. If I knew the price and I found the price was reasonable, then I'd likely give this 5 stars just for the convenience aspect of using it. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, I just want to add a couple of bits into that video of this mini ScanAvenger scanner, because it also has Bluetooth mode as well as the dongle. So if I pull that out here, so my dongle's not attached, there's a code here to scan which puts it into Bluetooth mode, which means I don't have to worry about having the dongle with me all the time. So if I scan this code here, I didn't make a beep or anything, so I'm assuming okay, I'm not sure. It doesn't tell me that this is doing anything. Can't see it on here. How to connect a scanner via Bluetooth to mobile phone, tablet or other Bluetooth device. So scan Bluetooth, which is that one. And then pair. Scanner light will be flashing blue. This means you can connect your mobile device. Now, it's not actually flashing blue. So I'm taking it this is Bluetooth. Just mini barcode reader, QR code reader. It doesn't actually say here. I'm making the assumption that because it does come with these instructions, it should be Bluetooth. It says wireless 2.4 gigahertz, 150 meters. Bluetooth distance 30 meters. That's open distance. So obviously, if you've got a brick wall in the way or something, then that's going to get reduced down. Now, what I can't do is get the pairing mode to work on the Bluetooth. So we've got Bluetooth mode there. So if I then click on that, I finally got it working. So this is flashing. So let's scan using my tablet and see if it comes up. Hopefully. ScanAvenger, there we go. So on here I can see ScanAvenger HD. So I'm clicking on that. Bluetooth pairing request pair. Couldn't connect. It says couldn't connect. I'll turn it back on again. So everything's back up. Right, we'll scare the Bluetooth scan the Bluetooth mode barcode. Okay, is that? Okay, it says we're in Bluetooth. I will scan, pair with Bluetooth. So I've got back to the flashing blue lights again. I'll scroll down and it's still scanning. Interesting, this time it's not getting picked up. I'll scan again. ScanAvenger HID. Okay, I'm going to click on that. So it's pair with ScanAvenger HID. Yes, I'm going to pair. So it doesn't say do anything else. And click pair. Scan light will turn solid blue, indicating the scanner is connected to your device. Now it's gone solid blue, but again, I don't believe so it couldn't connect. I think I'm going to have to contact ScanAvenger to just see what's going on with this, because clearly not everyone wants to use the dongle. Bluetooth does make it more versatile, but if we cannot get it to work, I'm going to go and try it on my PC, see if I can get it working on there, and I'll come back. Hi there. So this ScanAvenger sort of testing review become a bit elongated due to the issue I've had with connecting it or pairing it to my tablet, which is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. It's got the latest Android software on there. Although it would pair, I just could not get it to connect. So I have sort of fed this back to ScanAvenger. They've said they're not aware of that, but obviously going to look into it. Now, I have subsequently connected or paired the scanner with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and it works 100% fine on Bluetooth. I've just paired it to my PC. I'm just going to scan nice and quickly, and you know, there's no problems with that at all. So I don't know what the issue is with the tablet side of things, but it performs fantastically well with the supplied dongle. It works great with my phone, it works great with my laptop. It's just this issue I have with the tablet. Overall, I do think it is a very good piece of kit. From my perspective, I can have it and carry it around in my pocket if I need to. Just a slight pullback on this because of that connectivity issue. Or yeah, it's not a pairing issue because it pairs, just this connectivity issue from the tablet side of things. I hope this has helped. Thanks for watching. Bye.